Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fidelity 401k step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary personal information. This includes your social security number, date of birth, and employment details. Visit the Fidelity website using your preferred web browser. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access your account. If you already have a Fidelity account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Register button. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Provide the requested information including your personal details and email address. Create a strong password and confirm it. After registering, log in to your new account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section in your dashboard. Locate the option for retirement accounts or 401k plans. Select the specific 401k plan you wish to connect with. Follow any additional prompts to verify your employment. You may need to enter your employer's name or plan number. After verifying your employment, you can view your account details. If you encounter any issues, use the Help section for troubleshooting. For additional assistance, consider contacting Fidelity's customer service. Keep your personal documentation handy for identity verification if needed. Make sure to log out securely after completing your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.